Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to write a code for Nodemcu. As we have seen the comparison of Arduino and Nodemcu, it is almost similar. As well as in the previous lecture we have seen that how to set up the Arduino IDE to write a program and to interact with the Nodemcu. So I believe you all have done the proper settings in the Arduino IDE and your Arduino IDE is connected with the Nodemcu. Let's see how we can perform this. So to connect Nodemcu, we need an USB cable. One end of the USB cable is of type A connector and another end is of micro USB. Dear friends, if you are having an older Nodemcu, please make sure you are having the appropriate cable and appropriate connector on the Nodemcu board. Because the older version were having a different connector, the newer version is having a micro USB connector. So please take care of this and connect your Nodemcu with your laptop or desktop and start the Arduino IDE. Here you can see the pinout for the Nodemcu. At the time when you are considering any of the GPIO pin for your board, please make sure the position of your board is represented with the actual position as shown in the screen. Otherwise the pin number will be different. As well as on Nodemcu board you can find the pin numbers which is mentioned on the board itself. Now as we know how to start the Arduino IDE and how to set up the Nodemcu board into the particular tools menu and the port number, just for your reference, again recalling everything with the help of this screen. Here also we are supposed to use the same example which we have used in the Arduino, that is the blink example to blinking the inbuilt LED. Just to make sure that to start the LED on the board of Nodemcu, we are supposed to give the low voltages because it is active low. For the electronics people, it is known that what do you mean by active low, but for some of the people who are not aware about the active low, let me clarify that active low means to activate any of the devices on that particular pin number, we are supposed to specify the low voltages. I hope it is clear. Please make sure you have mentioned the low voltages to start the LED and high voltages to make it off. After writing the code, if you compile it, you can have the appropriate message that is done compiling, and if you upload the code onto your Nodemcu, if everything is connected, you are having the appropriate done uploading message. The screen is also shown here. I hope you are getting the LED blinking on your board, provided you have connected all the hardware properly and you have done the code and the settings into your Arduino IDE for Nodemcu. Now friends, I believe you are quite familiar with the Arduino and Nodemcu, so you can start working with it. But the most important feature of Nodemcu, that is the Wi-Fi, we have not touched Wi-Fi in this lecture, but we are going to see it in the next lecture, how to start and what to write for that Wi-Fi. So let's see into the next lecture.